Welcome back, guys. We finally got a nice day to get outside and shoot some pictures. So for you new guys, you've heard us mention off-camera flash, and that's what this is right here. This is the flash off the camera. The camera's not out here yet, but when it does, the flash will stay there. It separates the camera from the flash so we can get a softer look. And Denise is going to be modeling for us today. So we've got a pretty decent background behind her. She thought she saw an alligator before, so if she takes off running, you'll know why. And if I take off running, you can call 911. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and get started on Denise's pictures, and let's see how they look. And we'll be shooting with the Canon R6 with the Sigma 24-105 Art Series lens. One of my favorite lenses. I love this lens. So you ready? All right, let's get started. I'm actually going to move this at the moment. So right there. Getting close, right there, good. Good smile. That looks good. Tilt the head over just a little bit. Arch your back. That's okay. Good smile. Very good. Now kind of look that way. I'm gonna go full length. Go fairly full length. There, go right there. I think that's very pretty. Hands in your pocket. And we're right by a road, guys, so people will be honking and everything going on. Staring right back at me, a little attitude. Now, as you can see, the camera is here. I mean, the camera's here. I've got the Godox X3 trigger to trigger this Godox AD200. Now, this is made by Flashpoint, which makes Godox for Adorama. So I'll explain that later. Same thing as the Godox AD200, Reebok's name. So we're shooting it right at Denise. So let's get some more. I'll get some headshots in. Yeah, these look good. And back at me, good. Very good. Turn and go back to the back. The light hits the back of your hair just a little bit. There you go. On your chin this way. Very good. Now, like that, the sun has her face dark, but we're going to lighten it back up. Yep, that looks very good. Stay right where you are. And so you stay where you are. And so you guys, where you can see the sun is over here, and it's lighting in the back of her hair, but you can see this side of her face is dark. Here, look that way for me. Sunlight's over here, causing shadows over here. This trigger will tell that light to give me some light over here, so we'll be good. All right, looking back toward me. Very good. Arch that back up straight. Tilt your head up. Good. Very good. Now bring your chin around this way just a little bit. Very good. Coming close. Okay. Good. Good smile. Good, good, good. Do you want to do any on the leaves on the ground? So to do this, we're going to drop all the lights we have down toward the ground a little bit. Is that one coming towards you at all? Right, so that'll work. Okay. All right, there she is. All right, right there. We come in like waist up on her. Looking good. That looks good. That looks good. Let me get one close up right here. Right there. Arch your back up. Put your feet out just a little bit. Right there. Turn your chin back this way. Okay, good. Good smile. Good smile this time. There you go. Very good. So you can see, even though she stayed basically in the same spot, was up and then low, we just adjusted all the lights higher when she was higher and lower when she was lower, shooting with the flash off the camera, using the Godox X3 with the Godox XT100, and we're videoing today with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to show you guys everything. So anyway, if you have any questions on how to shoot off-camera flash, just let me know. We did that in TTL, makes it easy. But this was for the beginners today, off-camera flash for beginners. If you have any questions, leave me a note down at the bottom or drop me an email. I appreciate it. Give us a big thumbs up for helping you out and hit subscribe. Have a good day. All right, guys, that is our first shoot for beginners to show you what the off-camera setting looks like. You can see how soft the light is. You can see how we're not getting any weird shadows. It's not harsh. I use the Godox X3 trigger on the camera, and I use the Godox X200 flash as my flash. So not hard shot, all in TTL, which is basically manual for your flash. You can't always use that, but in this situation, it was handy to use, so we just flipped it on and went that way. If you have any questions about what I'm doing or why I'm doing it that way, just leave me a message down below. If we're helping you guys out, give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. You guys have a great day. Thank you.